Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry. Explain the procedure to the resident. Provide for resident's privacy. Raise bed height. Keep resident covered while removing gown. Remove gown from unaffected side first. Place soiled gown in designated laundry hamper. Dress the resident in a button-up shirt. Insert hand through the sleeve of the shirt and grasp the hand of the resident. When dressing the resident in a button-up shirt, always dress from the affected weak side first. Assist the resident to raise her or his buttocks, or turn the resident from side to side and draw the pants over the buttocks and up to the resident's waist. Put on the resident's socks. Draw the socks up the resident's foot until they are smooth. Leave the resident comfortably or properly dressed. Punts pulled up to waist front and back and shirt completely buttoned. Lower bed, if it was raised. Place call light or signaling device within easy reach of the resident. Maintain respectful, courteous interpersonal interactions at all times. Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry.